my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
Hush, don't speak. When you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hiss and preach about your new messiah, 'cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's tiring. Enough is enough. I'm covering my ears like a kid, wearing your words mean nothing. I go la la la. I'm turning up the volume when you speak. If my heart can't stop it, find a way to block it. I go la 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 la
I'm so enamored, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so encaptured, hold me tight within your